In this video, we are going to be analysing MMAT. Now, we did do analysis on this yesterday, kind of just reaffirming what we went through yesterday, so we will keep this one quick. But what it was, obviously, we are down near enough 8% on the day. That's why I kind of thought we'd reiterate this today, because I know if you're holding this, you're probably interested in where we're going. So, where are we kind of holding on a heavy support? Basically, it's 175. You can see this is the second deviation on the 6 month. Tested this once, tested it a second time, it looks like we're testing it for a third. And again, the way I tend to look at these levels, if you're continuously coming to hit the same level, eventually it's going to break. And why do I say that? Because all it's showing you is that, well, firstly, we're struggling to break higher highs. So it's just showing really that the selling pressure is getting stronger. I mean, if they keep hitting it towards it, they're going to break it eventually. It's just how many times you're going to test it. So I would be a bit more bearish on it, just seeing another day down at this support. But really, what my confirmation would be, what I'd be paying attention to, is really a close below 175. So 174 below, get a close at there or below. Probably good indication we're going to continue lower. And where would I see us going? Really 137/136. So I mean, basically 137. That's our first deviation of both the 6 months and the 1 year. This is going to be a heavy layer of support. So if we break down, definitely be paying attention to that. And then a final short level again, because right now it would be something I'd be more short bias on. If I was holding it short, my absolute final target would be 95 cents, but basically $1, because again, that's a big psychological level, but again, more of a zone. Now, why is that going to be my final support? Because again, this is statistical mean on the 6 month. Now, what is statistical mean? It's basically fair value. When we trade stocks, if you use a mean reversion strategy or a mean reversion way of looking at stocks like I personally do, when you come to this level, you are at fair value. This is where you expect the stock to be. It's not overbought, it's not oversold. So really, if you're taking a trade from here or kind of holding through here, it's a lot more of a gamble in which direction it's going to get. So, go. So that's why I like to play direction. Again, if we break below here, good chance that we continue down. And again, even if we retest 218 or we break higher, these are definitely short bias levels. 218, 258 and 265, all short bias levels. If we hit them, definitely something I'm looking to fade to the downside. But really, these are the key levels I'll be paying attention to for the near term. Again, you can check out the video uploaded yesterday on meta materials, because that was way more in depth. But this kind of just a quick rundown because it is moving quite a lot today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.